What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a convenience good. We're not in the kitchen. I am not in frame. The only thing in frame is the product, and we're gonna do an unboxing and a first impressions of it. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Dudios Zeus Ace True Wireless Earbuds version 5.0 I picked up using Amazon Prime for $29.99. Out of 5 stars, they get 4.5 out of about 1,100 customer reviews. These earbuds do have 4 hours playtime with an 800 milliamp hour rechargeable case. Also, I figured in the future, we could compare these to the Samsung Galaxy Buds and the Anker Soundcore Liberty Neo. The Anker Soundcore Liberty Neo were about $49.99, and they are pretty comparable in style to the Dudios Zeus Ace, so I definitely want to compare them. And of course, you know, the king of in-ear design is the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. Yeah, they cost about $150. They are a pretty popular pair of earbuds. We'll definitely have to do a comparison between them. Yeah, today I figured we would do just a little bit of an unboxing. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Dudios Zeus Ace True Wireless Earbuds version 5.0. This is a pretty popular product, it seems like. They advertise auto pairing and have one button control. I think the key word there will be button, not touch sensor or touchpad. So yeah, we'll have to take a look at that. I'm sure that button acts as a play pause button, a fast forward rewind, you know, a button to activate the voice assistant, so on and so forth. I am pretty sure version 5.0 denotes Bluetooth 5.0, but I also want to make it clear these have CVC noise cancellation as well for clearer call quality, so that is really good to know. Now, I am excited to announce that there will be another Dudios Zeus product coming in the next couple of days. I did take a look at other Dudios Zeus products, and I came across a really interesting item that I did decide to order, and it will be here tomorrow, but we're probably not going to review it till next week. If we actually just take a look at some of the information here a little bit more closely, we can see that it just says Shenzhen, China, and really nothing else. So you actually get, you know, it says, they have a slogan here. It says, sound with substance. Anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing and the first impressions here. Yeah, today I figured we would do just a little bit of an unboxing. We'll bring in the handy dandy knife and just make a little bit of an incision into the side of the box there. Okay, so we'll just take some of the wrapping paper off here. It's a pretty simple cardboard box, just says True Wireless Earbuds version 5.0. There's actually really no other information on the box about the earbuds. They do have a 30-hour playtime. That is good to know. Yeah, you should be pretty much good to go with these. We'll have to do a little bit of a sound impressions as well. It actually looks like it maybe opens up from the side. Not quite sure. It's actually pretty stealthy, this packaging. And in the package here is a sort of styrofoam insert. And then we've got the Dudios Zeus Ace. What's really interesting about this warranty and service card is that it does ask us to leave a review on Amazon. So not sure if they're associated with Amazon in any way, like maybe they're a brand of Amazon. All I want to point out here is if you are satisfied with your experience, Dudios wants you to share that on Amazon. But if you are dissatisfied, they want you to contact support at dudios.com. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and listen to the earbuds. There are the earbuds there in their charging case. Let's go ahead and take them out of their charging case here. And I'm gonna put one in my ear. Power on, pairing. So they are charged up and ready to go. And we'll go ahead and bring in the handy dandy iPhone here. As you can see at the very bottom, Dudios Zeus Ace does come up. And all we have to do is tap that to connect. Okay, so now we're just gonna listen to some royalty-free music here. This is Mia by YouTube. I downloaded this soundtrack off of YouTube, but yeah, let me just listen to it here using the Dudios Zeus Ace earbuds, and I'll come back with my first impressions momentarily. Okay guys, so the verdict is in. I absolutely love the Dudios Zeus Ace. What a phenomenal pair of earbuds. You guys should definitely be good to go with these earbuds if you decide to pick them up. They were only $29.99. Out of 5 stars, they get 4.5 out of about 1,100 customer reviews, and it's easy to see why. They have a pretty neutral bass, not in a bad way, in a good way. They're not underpowered, they're not overpowered, they're simply neutral. They give way to a balanced treble and a balanced vocal, and overall a more varied soundstage. Anyways guys, that has been just an unboxing and a first impressions of the Dudios Zeus Ace True Wireless Earbuds version 5.0. Not sure if they're associated with Amazon in any way, like maybe they're a brand of Amazon. They have a pretty neutral bass, not in a bad way, in a good way. We could compare these to the Samsung Galaxy Buds and the Anker Soundcore Liberty Neo. The Anker Soundcore Liberty Neo were about $49.99, and they are pretty comparable in style to the Dudios Zeus Ace, so I definitely want to compare them. And of course, you know, the king of in-ear design is the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. We'll definitely have to do a comparison between them. These earbuds do have 4 hours playtime with an 800 milliamp hour rechargeable case. Out of 5 stars, they get 4.5 out of about 1,100 customer reviews. Anyways guys, thank you so much. I will see you in the next one.